Hi everyone, Mrs. E here with this week's weekly spelling words video. So this week we're going to carry on looking at prefixes. Remember, a prefix is a bit similar to a suffix. The suffix goes at the end of the word where the prefix goes at the beginning of the word. Here we go with spelling one. Spelling one is bicycle. Bicycle. Clap it with me. Bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. So in bicycle, we've got the prefix by with cycle. So the root word is cycle, and by is the prefix for two. So it's like two wheels on a cycle. Bicycle. Spelling two, again with the prefix by. Bisect. So we've got the prefix by and the word sect. Bisect. Bisect. So when we bisect something, we split it up. I can bisect this watermelon into two equal halves. Spelling three, biannual. This is a long one. Biannual. 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 Okay, biannual means twice a year. So I could say I go on holiday biannually. So there we've got the prefix bi and the word annual. That's probably the trickiest bit to learn there. It's that double N in the middle, annual. Spelling four is reappear. Reappear. So we've got the prefix re this time, which means to come again. Reappear. Let's clap it. Reappear. Reappear. Great job. So we've got a funny picture at the bottom because of course the word pear is in appear. So the pear disappears and reappears. Tricky one. Double P-E-A-R. Spelling five. Reapply. Here the little girl is reapplying her sun cream. So to apply again. Re means to do again. Let's clap it together. Reapply. Reapply. We have the prefix re and apply. No words within words here, but we can hear those sounds. Apply. Spelling six is rebuild. Rebuild. Let's clap it. Rebuild. Rebuild. So we can rebuild a wall. So it's to build again. The prefix re and the word build. Okay, grab your piece of paper and your pencil. It's time to see if you can spot which of this week's words has been jumbled up. Okay, it could have the prefix re at the beginning, or it could have the prefix by at the beginning. Let's have a look. Can you spot it? It's going to start with re. Re, appear. Reappear. Well done. If you got reappear, the word is reappearing. Great job. Here's the second one. Don't forget you can pause the video if you want more thinking time. This one is by. Will you get there quickly? Bisect. Bisect. So we could bisect a fruit into two pieces. Here's the next one. What is it jumbled up this time? Which prefix is it? Re. Well done. Rebuild. Rebuild. And our next one. apply. Well done if you got that one. Here's the next one. This one's an easy one. Bicycle. Bicycle. Great job. And again, don't forget to pause it, give you thinking time. Biannual. If something's biannual, it happens twice a year. So well done. How many will you remember for this Friday spelling test? Good luck. See you next time.